Hello viewers, today for the initial checkout we have a Evenflow box fan. This fan I also picked up at the tag sale today, and I was told it runs. Now I'm not 100% sure if it does run based off what I was told, because you can't always believe what you're told. Last time I was told a fan ran, it didn't. But we're going to find out if this fan does run. This fan is called an Evenflow because the slats on the side here are angled off to the left and to the right, which means that the fan can basically spit air to the left and to the right along with straight. Hence the name Evenflow. Here's a look at our controls. You can see we've got off, high, medium, and low. Now, I did used to have another one of these a while back, but unfortunately that fan broke, and I did have to get rid of it. But this is the replacement fan. This is the replacement. So full restoration will take place, either full or partial. We'll find out later on in the video, but we're about to find out if she runs. Without further ado, let's take a look at our plug. This fan has a non-polarized plug. So it's I want to say this is a early 80s product, early to mid 80s. Not 100% sure. But somebody put that in the comments what it is. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Oh. Looks like we are going to have to move it a little bit closer in order to test it, because apparently not close enough to the outlet. All right, our fan is plugged in. Now this one is my fan. This one is to replace my other Evenflow that broke. Painted is getting the Kmart K223. So let's see if it runs. Here we go. Okay. All right, maybe we just got it plugged in the wrong way. Oh, there it goes. Alright folks, this fan does run. Just had a little bit of hard time starting up. I thought this fan didn't run, but it does. Just needs a little bit of TLC like the other one. So that's on low speed. So it's got a pretty nice slow low, which I do like. So let's ramp it up to medium. Alright, spitting some debris out at me. Definitely needs a cleaning. Not much of a difference between medium and high. But the fan does run. So that's good. Do the spin down. Alright, so the spin down does kind of suck a little bit, so we are going to clean and service this fan. But I noticed that this fan does have a startup sound. So we're going to get to the back of the fan here, and we're going to catch it. And it does have some cool operating sounds too, so let's take a listen. Start off on low. So there's the operating sound on low. Put it to medium. All right, so this fan does work. Let's do medium. All right, here's high. All right, so this fan does run, just needs a little bit of TLC, which I am going to give it. And it's a pretty cool fan, folks. Finally got a working Evenflow that I can use around the house. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you got any questions, please feel free to let me know in a comment down below. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.